This is the view from my room on the 3rd floor of the Grand Teguise Playa Hotel in Lanzarote. As you can see, there's one massive pool, smaller children's pool, children's play area, and you're right on the beach. There's a promenade to walk along as well. You can actually see people running along the promenade at the moment. Down there's a tennis court, there's a kids club. So these are the views from the 3rd floor. I'm actually around the core of the hotel slightly, and I'll explain that a little bit more in my review. But you can go up onto the 5th floor, and the rooms on the 4th and the 5th floor have been renovated. The rooms on the 3rd floor haven't as yet. I'm here taking this in November 2017, so it may change by the time you visit the hotel. So this is my very spacious balcony. I rather like the balcony. It is plastic chairs and tables, but it is a nice spot to be able to look out and see those views. And it is really spacious. I mean, if you were here with kids, there's enough space for them to play. And the balcony is really high as well, so they wouldn't get over. And this is my room. Please keep in mind that I've been staying in this room for 2 days. I have had a little tidy up obviously, but I checked in when it was really dark, so I couldn't do the room tour then. It's nice and spacious. You've got your bedside tables, your lights, telephone to be able to call reception, little seating area, thick curtains which I really like, so it's nice and dark when you wake up in the morning. Or you can keep your window open. Obviously you can hear the sea lapping, which is nice. And then behind me there you've got TV table, dressing gown and slippers for every guest that stays, which is a nice touch. And obviously a swimming towel, which I used to take out to the water park yesterday, so that came in very handy. A spot to be able to put your luggage to unpack. I really like that. I don't like the thought that everybody else had their suitcases on the beds and made them dirty. And then, a really big double sliding door wardrobe, which I really like. If you're here with, there's a couple, and there's loads of space in here. They do the laundry at the hotel, loads of space in the drawers. And if you wanted to, you could put your suitcase up on the top, and there's a safe as well, obviously really handy. The room's a little bit dated. It's obviously why they're renovating the ones up above, and that's why they started up there, I think. As you can see from the photos, it is a bit dated. Take you through to the bathroom. So the tiles are a bit dated, but there's a magnifying mirror there, bidet. I've got a bath and a shower. I've heard some of the rooms have just got showers, so that's worth checking out. Had plenty of towels, which is good to know. And then just loads of space to be able to put your toiletries, which I really like. Even if you were here, 2 of you, there's still loads of space. And a little helpful store down there as well. The hairdryers are not great. I've really struggled with that hairdryer, so it's possibly worth bringing your own. And a few essentials as well. Some body lotion, shampoo, bath gel. What's worth knowing actually is that across the road from the hotel there's a spa and there's a pharmacy, so that's really handy. There's also coffee shops and things like that around Costa Teguise. But it's worth knowing that there is a spa and a pharmacy across the road in case you do forget anything. So that's it. There's a regular double room at the Grand Costa Teguise Playa Hotel in Lanzarote. Just let you have another quick look down here, so you can see it's not plastic sun lounges down there, yeah, they're nice sun lounges. And there's a chess area down there for kids to play as well. It's really quiet.